Okay students, now our next question is question number 11. Amit weighs 35 kg. His sister Kavita's weight is 3 by 5 of Amit's weight. How much does Kavita weigh? In this question, they have given you the weight of Amit. What is the weight of Amit? He is 35 kg. Okay. And what is the weight of Kavita? Kavita was his sister. What is the weight of his sister? They have not given you the exact number, exact weight they have not given you. They have given you in the fraction way. That is 3 by 5 of Amit's weight. So can I write 3 by 5 of 35 here? And then you can cancel it. Yes or no? So like this you have to find it out. Okay, what you have to find out? You have to find out weight of Kavita. So let's start doing. So first of all, you will write weight of Amit. What is the weight of Amit? 35 kg. Okay. Then weight of Kavita in fraction. Fraction में ही दिया हुआ है आप लोगों को. So weight of Kavita in fraction equals to 3 by 5. Hence, weight of Kavita equals to क्या दिया हुआ है 3 by 5 of Amit's weight. Yes or no? 3 by 5 of Amit's weight. Now in 5 tables 35 is going 5 one time and 5 7 time. So your answer will come as 21 kg. So what is the weight of Kavita? It's 21 kg. Is it clear? Now question number 12. In question number 12, they have given you the information that there are 42 students in a class. How many? 42. The number of students in a class are 42. And 5 by 7 of the students are boys. तो अगर 5 by 7 स्टूडेंट्स बॉयज़ है तो क्या मैं कह सकती हूँ कि 2 by 7 जो है वो गर्ल्स होंगी. यस और नो? अगर 5 by 7 स्टूडेंट्स बॉयज़ है तो 2 by 7 गर्ल्स हो सकती है. ठीक है. सो हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स आर देयर इन द क्लास? व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इन द क्लास. तो इसका दो तरीका है करने का. एक तो आप 5 by 7 इंटू 42 करो. वॉट एवर आंसर यू आर गेटिंग दैट विल बी द नंबर ऑफ बॉयज़, टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉयज़. फिर आप माइनस कर दोगे 42 में से तो आपको नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स मिल जाएंगे. या फिर आप पहले 2 by 7 फाइंड आउट करो. भाई 5 by 7 है तो अगर मैं 2 by 7 ही बचेगा. ठीक है. तो उतनी अगर गर्ल्स है तो 2 by 7 इंटू 42 करोगे तो यू विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स डायरेक्टली. yes or no? So there are two methods of doing this finding out number of girls, but I will show you the first one only. क्योंकि बच्चों को ये निकालने में भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, कई स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं आता है. दैट्स वाई आई विल शो यू ओनली वन मेथड. ओके. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट doing. So students, first of all you will write that how many students are there in the class. Total number of students are 42. Yes or no? And number of boys in fraction कितने हैं? 5 by 7. ठीक है. सो total number of boys, I can find it out. If fraction is given and if you have total number of students, so you can easily find out the number of boys. So total number of boys equals to 5 by 7 into 42. Now in 7 tables 42 is going 7 1 times and 7 6 times. 7 6 ja 42. So 30. How many boys are there in the class? 30. So the number of girls will be 42 minus 30, that is 12. Hence total number of girls will be 42 minus 30 equals to 12. Is it clear? Okay, now next question. See student, in our next question, that is question number 13, what they have given you? They have given you that Sapna earns rupees 12,000 per month. That means what is the income of Sapna per month? Per month means in 1 month. 12,000. Okay. How much she earns? She earns rupees 12,000 in 1 month. Now out of this 12,000, she spent 7 by 8 of her income. इसमें से वो 7 by 8 तो वो स्पेंड कर देती है, ठीक है. That means उसके पास कितना बचा? 1 by 8. 7 by 8 अगर उसने खर्च कर दिया तो 1 by 8 बचा. वो डिपॉजिट करती है किसमें? बैंक. And the deposit rest of the money in a bank. Are you getting? How much money does she deposit in the bank each month? That means आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? जो वो स्पेंड करती है डेट अमाउंट नहीं फाइंड आउट करना है. आपको फाइंड आउट करना है वो अमाउंट जो वो डिपॉजिट करती है बैंक में. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज सिमिलर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया था? 5 by 7 into 42 किया था तो नंबर ऑफ बॉयज़ मिल गए थे, फिर माइनस करके हमें नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स मिल गई थी. उसी तरीके से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 7 by 8 into 12,000 करोगे आप तो यू विल गेट द अमाउंट स्पेंड. ओके, देन यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दैट अमाउंट फ्रॉम 12,000, देन यू कैन फाइंड आउट द अमाउंट दैट शी हैज़ डिपॉजिटेड इन द बैंक. एम आई क्लियर? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डू. So first of all you will write money earned by Sapna per month. Per month means each month. Okay, money earned by Sapna per month equals to rupees 12,000. Okay, so amount spent by her, spent मतलब खर्च करना, तो वो कितना खर्च कर रही है? तो 7 by 8 खर्च कर रही है. 7 by 8 किसका? जो वो मनी अर्न कर रही है उसका. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ you can cancel 8 and 12,000. In 8 tables 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8. So 12 minus 8 किया तो 4 आ रहा है रिमाइंडर. 40 हो गया. 8 5 ja 40. ओके, एंड डबल 0. अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 15 7 जा कितना आएगा? 105. राइट है? यस और नो? सो 105 sorry 10,500. okay, so amount spent by her is rupees 10,500. now what you have to find out? You have to find out the amount deposited by her in the bank. hence the amount deposited मतलब जमा करवाना, deposited in the bank equals to rupees 12,000 minus rupees 10,500. So you will get your answer as right. What is the amount deposited by her in the bank? Rupees 1,500. Okay, so this will be your answer. Now question number 14 and question number 15 is very simple, very easy. In this question also you have to do multiplication only. First I will explain you both the question together and then we will solve these questions together only. See students, in question number 14 what they have given you, they have given you the side. Each side of a square field is 4 2/3 meter. Find its area. आपको साइड दिया हुआ है स्क्वायर फील्ड का, ठीक है, 4 2/3 है और आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? एरिया. नाउ यू ऑल नो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू साइड इनटू साइड. यस और नो? दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. सो 4 2/3 इंटू 4 2/3 करोगे तो यू विल गेट द आंसर. इज इट क्लियर? And in next question also what we have to find out, we have to find out area of rectangular park. So what is the formula for finding out area of rectangle? Length into breadth. They have given you length, they have given you breadth. Easily you can multiply it and find out the answer. Okay, is it clear? Should I start? Fine. So students, in question number 14, first of all you will write side of a square field. Side of a square field equals to 4 2/3 meter. You can convert it into improper fraction. So your answer will come as 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 will be 14. So 14/3 meter. Now area of square field equals to side into side equals to 14/3 into 14/3. Now they are not getting cancelled. ठीक है, अब नीचे तो 9 आ जाएगा. 14 इंटू 14 करके देखो क्या आ रहा है आंसर. 14 का स्क्वायर. वन 196 आ रहा है. 14 14 जा 196. Now you can convert it into mixed fraction. क्यों मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में क्यों कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो? क्योंकि जो क्वेश्चन में दिया था वो भी मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में ही दिया था. तो मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूँगी कि जो आंसर आएगा वो भी आप किस में कन्वर्ट करो? मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. तो जब आप इसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करोगे तो यू विल गेट योर आंसर एज you will get your answer as 9. यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 21 और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 7. This will be your answer. 21 7/9 square meter. Okay. Now question number 15. In question number 15 also, first of all you will write length of a path equals to 41 2 by 3 meter. When you will convert it into improper fraction, it will come as 41 3 will be 123, and 123 plus 2 will be 125. 125 meter. Okay. Then breadth of a par equals to 18 3 by 5 meter. Okay, 18 3 by 5 meter. So 5 and 18 5 will be 90. Yes or no? 90 plus 3 will be 93. 93 meter. Hence, what you have to find out? You have to find out area. Hence, area of a par equals to length into breadth equals to 125 by 3 into 93 by 5 equals to. Now, in 3's table, 93 is going 3 1 times and 93 31 times. Okay, and in 5 tables 125 is going 5 1 ja and 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja. Yes or no? What is remaining? 25 and 31. So 31 into 25 will be 775 square meter. So your answer will come as 775 square meter. Is it clear? Okay. Now for today this much is enough. From tomorrow I am going to start division of fractions. Okay.